we are gonna snuggle up, baby free, and watch Dumbo. Why are we watching a kids movie without our child?
So we can make sure that it's appropriate for a 6-month-old.
That's true. First vlog in the new home. So crazy, I can't believe it. I have some natural curly hair going on, some sleepy eyes that makeup is hiding, but Senna decided to wake up 3 times last night, which I don't think she's done since she was less than a month old. So I'm a little tired, but today was a very exciting day. That aside, we're gonna be setting up a movie night in our backyard. I'm so excited. And Paintzen, this amazing paint company, came by and has been painting some rooms in the house. They're already done. He just showed it to me, so I'm gonna show you that right now and then do my hair and we're gonna get this movie night started. Senna's sleeping, so I might be quieter than normal. All right. So that's what the room used to be painted, and this is the new paint color. It's like this creamy, almost has a little peachy pink hue to it. And then we're doing Senna's old wallpaper on this wall. But this is the nursery. Yeah! So this is Senna's room that they're finishing up right now. We matched the paint color of this to the wallpaper that's gonna be on this wall. It's a map of the United States. And then they're gonna make this wall into a really fun charcoal wall that she can draw all over. So this is the playroom at least until baby number 2 comes. Not yet, don't worry. And they're also gonna be painting the powder bath, or sorry, wallpapering the powder bath, but they just seem to dip down right now. It hasn't been wallpapered yet. So I'm very excited. I have this really cool wallpaper. Time to go do the hair. This crazy mess. Charging the Intel. This is like the PC that I'm gonna be using. It's awesome. I'll tell you more about it in a sec, but that's what I'm gonna be using for movie night. So getting it all ready to go. And I have a projector. I'm so excited for this movie setup, guys. I'm gonna be having friends over way too much to do this, but for tonight it's just me and Coulter. Bathroom now. I'm gonna try my best. So I follow a blogger named Amber Fillerup. I don't know her, but actually my cousin Madison is friends with her. But I think she's adorable. And she had this curling iron that she's been using, and she has posted about it so many times that I decided to try it. So we're gonna try it because that's kind of how my hair naturally is. I'm about to leave for the beach, and so it's gonna be really easy to just crimp my hair out if I like this look. So wish me luck. Here's a very fast version of me trying this out for the first time. So it basically just did what my hair naturally does, just kind of tamed it, because you know how it gets that like super frizzy vibe to your hair. So it's like a bit more tamed down version of what my hair naturally does, which I love. So now I'm gonna take I have the Kerastase elixir, okay, and I'm gonna kind of work it through some of the pieces to make it a little less frizzy, because my hair has been very frizzy naturally. Separate some of these. Basically, when I took this guy, you always want, well, you'll know because the thumb goes right there, but this part is always away from your face, so the 3 are gonna be away either side. Personally, that's what I like best. And what else? I took some different chunks, so I take one that was like a vertical chunk and do it down, and then I take, sorry, a horizontal one, and then I take a vertical one, and I would do it this way instead. So you kind of do a horizontal chunk that way across, and do it up and down, and then you take a vertical piece this way and do it sideways. That makes sense. It just basically gives you a different curl, so they're not all the same unless you want a uniform curl. Senna's up from her nap, playing in her little sprout player. We're waiting for Dad to get home. Okay, so this is gonna be the setup. I'm gonna use a projector. So this is the Intel NUC. It's a mini PC with an Intel processor. It's the equivalent of a desk-size tower processor, but in this tiny little format, which is great. And then I got this projector to go with it, so we're gonna project a movie onto the screen, but you can use it for movies and you get really good 4K. You can do games, you can work on it, though I'm gonna use it for a movie night. All right, let's do it. Off to finish setting it up. Coulter got home, so he's watching the baby. Gotta be quick. I'm really excited. This seems really easy to set up. I think I did it, but yeah, it should be ready to go. We're gonna pick out a movie and watch it, waiting for it to get a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go keep Coulter busy, take him to dinner, and we'll be back when it's dark to show you how this thing works and get our movie night on. See you when it's dark. Okay, we put Senna to bed. Twinkly lights are on. We're headed down. Babe, what do you think?
I'm just trying to decide what movie we're gonna watch.
Isn't it so fun and cute? What movie? Oh, Dumbo. Hey, Coulter set up the movie.
You can do Dumbo.
Yeah. So that is the Intel NUC, and it is that small. It's mini. It's basically the tower that would go to a desktop computer, but in this tiny little thing. So it's super portable, which is awesome. I currently have it rigged up to a projector to play a movie, and yeah. It plays 4K, you can do movies, video games, anything you do with your normal computer.
Pretty much browse the internet.
Browse the internet.
It just needs any kind of display, I think.
Yeah, it does. We are gonna snuggle up, baby free, and watch Dumbo. Where are we watching a kid's movie without our child?
So we can make sure that it's appropriate for a 6-month-old.
That's true. Oh.
We're gonna learn all the life lessons and then learn the spoilers.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
Look how big his ears are. They're like mine.
They are. Thank you to Intel for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to have this. Really cool. It's super cool. I'm excited to use it tons. And to have many more movie nights here in the future. All right,
we got
Smooch is
Smooch
coming.
joining us.
All right.
It's a
Kate will
party
be
now.
here soon too. Love you guys. Bye.